Hi everyone, welcome to another session of UPSC Physics Optional previous year question paper analysis. So today we are going to discuss a question which talk about the wavelength of electron given the kinetic energy of electron in electron volts. This question is coming under quantum mechanics. So let's go to the question. The question is that a particle of first mass m0 has a kinetic energy k. Show that its de Broglie wavelength is given by lambda equal to hc by k root of k into k plus 2 m0 c square. Hence calculate the wavelength of electron of kinetic energy 2 MeV. What will be the value of lambda if k is very much smaller than m0 c square? The question is looks not that very simple, but it's actually a very simple question. So we have to prove that the lambda value is equal to hc by root of k into k plus 2 m0 c square. So this question we take something from relativity also. So we know that the total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus rest mass energy. So here the electron is having a mass m0 which is given in the question. Rest mass is m0 and kinetic energy is k. That these two things are given in the question itself. So that makes this question very simple. So we know that the total energy is equal to kinetic energy is k plus m0 c square. So that is equal to what? mc square, the total energy. Now we know that m is equal to m0 by root of 1 minus v square by c square. This is an equation that we take from relativity. So now we substitute this. What we obtain is that m0 c square divided by root of 1 minus v square by c square equal to m0 c square plus k. Now what we can find out from this? We can obtain that these two things, this m0 c square plus k goes here, 1 root of 1 minus c square goes here to the right side. So what we can write? m0 c square by m0 c square plus k equal to root of 1 minus v square by c square. Now let's take the square of this. Squaring on both sides implies 1 minus v square by c square equal to m0 square c raised to 4 whole divided by m0 c square plus k the whole square. Now what we can do? Now we are given with this expression. From this we can write v square by c square equal to 1 minus m0 square c raised to 4 divided by m0 square c square plus k the whole square. I haven't done anything, just took this term on the right side goes here, term on v square by c square, it's a term on left side goes to right side. That's it. Now we can simplify this expression. This will go here, cross multiplication. We will get it as m0 c square plus k the whole square minus m0 c square c raised to 4 divided by m0 c square plus k the whole square. Now this is the first term here. I will write from here. The first term here, this is like a plus b whole square. So we can expand this. This is like m0 square c raised to 4 plus k square plus 2 m0 c square k minus m0 square c raised to 4 whole divided by m0 c square plus k the whole square. Now the terms, these two terms we can cancel out. Now you have remaining these terms. So from this we can write v square equal to c square into, now just say k square plus 2m0 c square k. I can take k outside and k into k plus 2m0 c square whole divided by what? m0 c square plus k the whole square. So this expression, from this we can calculate V as equal to C into K into K plus 2m0 c square the whole raised to 1 by 2 by m0 c square plus k. Now I will put this equation number 1. Equation number 2. We have an equation number 1 which is actually here 1 minus b square by c square equal to this. So this is equation number 1. So now we have two equations. Now what do you know about? We have to calculate the wavelength, and we know that the expression for wavelength lambda equal to h by m into v, which is equal to h by, is like what we have written earlier. We can write m0 into v. Here it will, m is equal to m0 by root of 1 minus v square. So this will come up 1 minus c square by c square. So we have already taken, from here we have, what is root of 1 minus c square by c square? Root of 1 minus c square by c square is equal to, so we can write here, I will write from here, it's equal to h by m0. For v we have an equation. What is the equation for v? C into k plus 2m0 c square the whole raised to 1 by 2. This will come upside by m0 c square plus k. This is the expression for v. Now we have one root of 1 minus v square by c square, for which we can write as m0 c square by k plus m0 c square. Am I right? Here we have already written it, m0 c square by, so here it is m0 c square by k plus m0 c square. So now we can cancel out some terms. This will get cancelled, m0 will get cancelled, from this 1c will get also cancelled. So what we remain is hc by k into k plus 2m0 c square the whole raised to 1 by 2, which is what we have to prove. So I hope everyone understood this. This is quantum mechanics, little bit of relativity. So we have taken it from the total energy is kinetic energy plus rest mass energy. We know that total energy is mc square. mc square, m is written as m0 by root of 1 minus v square by c square. So we substitute that, we get the total energy m0 c square by root of 1 minus v square by c square equal to m0 c square plus k. m0 c square is the rest mass energy. Now that equation we manipulate and we arrive an expression for 1 minus b square by c square. So I can put this as what? Okay, this as equation number 1. Now from this we also arrive an expression for v. Here I have arrived an expression for v. Now we know that lambda equal to h by mv. Substitute for m, substitute for v, we can arrive at this expression. Now there are two small questions also there that you have to find out. Just first question is very simple. Just substitute for kinetic energy part and then you will get the answer for kinetic energy of electron. We have already given with rest mass of electron. So we can easily calculate that. The second part is what will happen when k is very small. Just look at the equation and find it out yourself. So we will come with a new question in the next class. Till then, goodbye.